Welcome back. How are you doing? Good, that's good to hear. Today we are going to talk about adjoined matrices. Sometimes it's useful to adjoin two or more matrices into one matrix. In order to adjoin or put together two matrices, they must have the same row dimensions for horizontal or column dimensions for vertical adjoinings. So let's start with a matrix let's call C. And we'll make this a 3 by 3 matrix. And with the values 2, 7, 4, 0, 5, 1, 6, 3, 8. This is not a covariance matrix. I'm just labeling a generic matrix C. And then let's have another matrix called D, a 3 by 4, with the values 2, 3, 3, 2, 6, 4, 0, 5, and 1, 7, 2, 1. Okay? Because they both have 3 rows, we can adjoin them, and we do it like this. We call it CD with a bar in between is equal to 2, 7, 4, 0, 5, 1, 6, 3, 8. So we write our C matrix, and then we separate it, the vertical bar. And then we can do our D. 2, 3, 3, 2, 6, 4, 0, 5, 1, 7, 2, 1. And that's a CD matrix. Sounds pretty good, huh? Well, we can adjoin matrices below other matrices as long as the dimensions match up. So this we did horizontally, but we can also do it vertically. So let's have C again, the 3 by 3 matrix. 2, 7, 4, 0, 5, 1, 6, 3, 8. Okay, let me separate these here. And then let's have E, a 2 by 3 matrix with the values of 5, 0, 5, 8, 2, 3. Okay. Now because the columns both are 3, we can adjoin this, but we can't adjoin them horizontally, we adjoin them vertically. CE equals, let's do C first, 2, 7, 4, 0, 5, 1, 6, 3, 8, separate with a line there, 5, 0, 5, 8, 2, 3. So it looks like that. Magic! I just zoomed out. The separate sections of the adjoined matrix are called submatrices, and we use a vertical or horizontal bar to keep them separated. Just for easy notation, we can use a bar like this to separate this, and we call this the adjoined CE matrix. The advantage to adjoining matrices is that you can perform one operation on the adjoined matrix and have a resultant matrix that is also adjoined and includes the results for both or all of the original matrices. So for example, say you want to divide each matrix by 2. So I'm going to separate this again. And let's go back to our CD matrix. And let's break the CD in half, which in real life you wouldn't do. That would be horrible. So we're going to do 1/2 times, I'm just going to separate this with parentheses. So we're going to divide our adjoined CD matrix by 2. So we have 1/2 times 2, 7, 4. I'm just going to go all the way across. 2, 3, 3, 2, 0, 5, 1, 6, 4, 0, 5, 6, 3, 8, 1, 7, 2, 1. And you just divide each value by 2. And the result, we get 1, 3.52, still going across, 1, 1.5, 1.5, 1, 0, 2.5, 1/2, 3, 2, 0, 2.5, 3, 1.5, 4, 1/2, 5, 3.5, 1, and 0.5. So as you noticed, we took our adjoined matrix, did an operation, we divided every value by 2, and we still have an adjoined matrix, and each value has been divided by 2. So this is our matrix C divided by 2, and this is matrix D, which has been divided by 2. Now I'm going to show you this on Excel. Voila, more magic. Okay, so I put our C values in here and our D values in here, and I have E here as well. Let's do the adjoined C and D matrix. It's really just copy and paste and copy and paste. So there, it's the adjoined matrix, but it's kind of hard to tell, so we're going to highlight these two sections because the line is going to go in the middle. And we're going to put a bar in between. Go to border, and put a bar in between, and there you go. So let's do E. I'm going to copy C. It's a 3 by 3. I'm just rhyming. Copy E and paste it. Highlight where the line is going to be to separate them. Format cells. Just click on the border you want. It's horizontal. And there you go. You have the two separated. So now let's do an operation in our CD matrix. Let's cut the CD in half. So we're going to highlight all of this equals 1/2 times, and I'm going to put this in parentheses. You're going to highlight our adjoined CD matrix. I'm going to do Control-Shift return, and there you go. So it doesn't automatically transfer the line to separate them, so I'm going to add that in for you. And there you go. We have our C matrix, which is divided by 2, and our D matrix, also divided by 2. Let's compare that with what we did over here by hand. If you can see that, we have 1/2 times our CD matrix, and the values do match. And there you go. That's how you do adjoined matrices.